So today I'm going to show you how to pay someone with Cash App. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. Let's go ahead and load up the app. So we're going to go ahead and start here on the main page of Cash App. So right now I currently have about $6 in my account. So what I'm going to do is if I wanted to send somebody money, all I got to do is go ahead and type in the denomination that I want to send. Let's go ahead and say I want to send in I'm going to be generous to this person and send them half of my money. So I'm going to send them $3 right over here. So once I hit $3, I'm going to go ahead and click on that pay button that you're going to see down there towards the right-hand side. And then right over here is going to pop up a menu to put a name tag, a phone number, or even an email. So if you have that person's information, you can go ahead and plug that in. If you're actually nearby them and you have your settings turned on, you can actually just have it all connected easily, and it makes it even simpler for you. So go ahead and type in that name, the phone number, or email, and then in the notes, just make sure you add a piece of information on why you're sending that money. Once you do that, that top right pay is going to glow in, so that way you can go ahead and press that. It'll do a Face ID or your PIN, and it'll send that money to that person instantaneously. Now, if you want to keep on learning more when it comes to quick Cash App tutorials, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.